The muscle car landscape is shifting, and leading that charge is the all-new 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack. Reimagined for a modern era while staying true to its raw performance roots, the latest Charger lineup brings fresh energy to the world of American performance vehicles. Dodge has taken bold strides to evolve the Charger into a refined yet wild machine that appeals to both purists and newcomers alike. Historically, the Dodge Charger has been synonymous with the unmistakable roar of the Hemi V8, a symbol of old-school muscle and American power. However, with the changing automotive landscape and rising concerns about emissions and efficiency, Dodge is embracing new technology without compromising its performance heritage. This comes to life with the introduction of the Sixpack, a name that boldly recalls performance tuning and racing culture, now reinterpreted for a new generation. At the core of this revolutionary model is the new 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six engine. Replacing the beloved Hemi V8 was no small decision, but Dodge's engineers rose to the challenge. The result is an engine that delivers both power and efficiency. In the base Charger Sixpack, this twin-turbocharged inline-six produces 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking even more muscle, the Sixpack HO, high output, boosts performance to an impressive 550 horsepower and a massive 531 pound-feet of torque. These power figures are more than enough to keep adrenaline seekers satisfied. The Charger Sixpack base model rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, while the HO model cuts that time down to a blistering 3.3 seconds. In fact, the Sixpack HO can cover a quarter mile in just 11.5 seconds, a number that firmly plants it in the realm of modern performance legends. Transmission duties are handled by a refined 8-speed automatic gearbox. It delivers crisp, quick shifts while effortlessly managing the immense torque. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring the Charger retains its classic muscle car character. All-wheel drive is available on the base Sixpack trim for improved grip and performance in all conditions. The HO model, however, remains exclusively rear-wheel drive to cater to the hardcore driving enthusiast. Visually, the Charger Sixpack is unmistakably Dodge. It combines muscular proportions with sharp, modern styling cues. The long hood, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia reflect the heritage of the Charger while embracing a more sculpted and aerodynamic design. Base models ride on 18-inch wheels, while the Sixpack HO gets 20-inch lightweight alloys along with unique styling details like a functional hood scoop and wide body enhancements. Inside the cabin, the Charger Sixpack introduces a sophisticated and driver-focused layout. Technology takes center stage with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen powered by Dodge's Uconnect 5 software. The system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, smooth navigation, and a range of customizable settings. A large fully digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while standard features like dual-zone climate control and heated front seats add comfort to the raw power underneath. For those wanting more luxury, Dodge offers a range of premium options. These include Napa leather seats with heating and ventilation, a 19-speaker Harman/Kardon sound system, wireless charging, ambient interior lighting, and even a head-up display. A panoramic sunroof adds further appeal to those who love the thrill of an open sky while cruising. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Charger Sixpack comes equipped with Dodge's full-speed forward collision warning system with active braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera as standard. Higher trims and options bring features like a 360-degree surround camera and front/rear parking sensors, making the car not just fast, but smart. At a time when many automakers have abandoned the muscle car segment entirely or shifted completely to electric powertrains, Dodge is striking a confident balance. While the fully electric Charger Daytona Banshee represents the future, the Sixpack models keep internal combustion alive with a modern spin. Tim Kuniskis, CEO of Dodge, commented that this dual approach allows the brand to honor its performance heritage while preparing for the electric future. The Charger Sixpack models will be manufactured at Dodge's Windsor assembly plant in Ontario, Canada. As for availability, Dodge plans to roll out the internal combustion Charger's coupe and sedan models in early 2025, with deliveries slated for later that year. Dodge has yet to reveal official pricing, but insiders suggest that the six-pack lineup will be competitively priced, likely beginning around the $60,000 mark for the base model and pushing close to $75,000 for the top-tier HO. The return of the Charger in this evolved form is a thrilling moment for enthusiasts. It is more than just a car, it's an embodiment of American muscle reinvented for a new era. The Hurricane engine ensures that performance remains intoxicating, while the refined interior and advanced tech bring new levels of comfort and convenience. For fans of muscle cars, the Charger Sixpack marks a new chapter, one that is evolutionary rather than nostalgic. Whether tearing up the drag strip or gliding through city streets, the 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack roars with power and poise. It bridges the past and future of high-performance cars and reminds us that, even in a changing world, there's still a place for raw power and raw emotion behind the wheel.